Why do modern organizations consider their information systems a cornerstone of their strategic success? Let's delve into that. Information systems have become pivotal in driving business innovations and operational efficiencies. Long gone are the days when IT was merely a support function tucked away in some corner of the office. Today, it is at the heart of business strategies, acting as a catalyst for change and a driver of innovation. Imagine a world where every decision made by a company is backed by data, where operational processes are streamlined by technology, and where customer interactions are enhanced by seamless information flows. This isn't a futuristic scenario, it's the current state of affairs in businesses that leverage their information systems strategically. Moreover, the alignment between information systems and business strategy is not just beneficial, it's critical. When IT systems and business objectives are in sync, organizations can capitalize on opportunities more swiftly and effectively. This alignment ensures that every technological investment contributes directly to the overarching goals of the company, be it through enhancing customer experience, improving operational efficiency, or driving business growth. But how do organizations achieve this alignment? It starts with understanding the strategic objectives of the business and then mapping out how IT can support these goals. This process involves collaboration and continuous dialogue between IT leaders and business executives to ensure that both realms are not just aligned but are moving forward together. Aligning it with business goals isn't just beneficial, it's crucial for survival in today's digital marketplace. How often do business strategies falter due to misaligned IT initiatives? In the fast-paced world of modern business, the alignment between IT initiatives and business strategies is not just beneficial, it's essential. Misalignment here can lead to not just wasted resources, but also missed opportunities for innovation and growth. Imagine a scenario where IT projects are launched based on technological trends rather than strategic necessity, leading to solutions that are either underutilized or fail to address core business challenges. To bridge this gap, organizations are increasingly recognizing the importance of establishing joint governance frameworks. These frameworks ensure that both IT leaders and business executives have a seat at the table, fostering a mutual understanding of goals and methodologies. It's about creating a bilingual environment where IT speaks the language of business objectives, and business leaders appreciate the potential and limitations of technological solutions. Regular strategy alignment sessions play a crucial role here. These sessions serve as a platform for continuous dialogue, where upcoming projects are evaluated against business priorities and IT capabilities. They are the strategic glue that binds disparate units together, ensuring that every technological investment enhances business value. Moreover, these interactions help in sculpting a culture where IT is seen not just as a support function, but as a strategic partner. This shift in perception is vital for leveraging technology to drive business outcomes effectively. Effective communication and collaboration between IT and business units can turn strategic visions into realities. Who decides what in the world of IT investments? Navigating the labyrinth of IT governance and decision-making can be quite the challenge. It's not just about who makes the decisions, but how these decisions are made. Without clear governance structures, organizations can find themselves in a chaotic mess of inefficiencies and conflicts, leading to outcomes that are far from optimal. Enter the world of IT governance frameworks. These aren't just bureaucratic red tape. They are essential blueprints that define decision rights, roles, responsibilities, and accountability. Imagine a steering committee or a review board. These aren't just groups of people meeting for a coffee. They are pivotal in ensuring that IT investments align seamlessly with business strategies and that decisions are made transparently. Moreover, these frameworks help in articulating who gets to decide what and ensure that these decisions are scrutinized and aligned with the overall objectives of the organization. Good governance in IT not only streamlines decision-making, but also ensures that every decision supports the larger business objectives. In a world of limited resources, how do you decide where to invest in IT? One of the most pressing challenges facing IT management today is the effective allocation of resources. With numerous potential projects and only a finite pool of funds and personnel, making the right choices is crucial. The first step in optimizing these decisions is implementing a robust methodology for evaluating and prioritizing IT investments. This often involves conducting thorough cost-benefit analyses to compare the potential returns of various projects. But it's not just about the numbers. Alignment with the organization's strategic objectives is equally vital. For instance, consider a project that promises to enhance customer experience significantly. If improving service is a key strategic goal, this project should be prioritized higher, despite other projects potentially offering quicker returns. Moreover, adopting a portfolio management approach can balance the IT investment portfolio, ensuring a mix of short-term gains and long-term strategic initiatives. This helps in maintaining technological innovation while supporting steady growth. Strategic prioritization of IT resources ensures that every dollar spent is an investment towards the organization's future. Why is managing change integral to successful IT implementation? In the dynamic world of information systems, resistance to change can be a formidable barrier. Without effective management of this resistance, even the most well-designed IT initiatives can falter. It's essential to understand that change isn't just about swapping out old technologies for new. It involves reshaping organizational habits, mindsets, and workflows, which can be deeply ingrained. A robust change management strategy starts with engaging stakeholders early. By involving those who will be affected by the change from the outset, you can foster a sense of ownership and mitigate resistance. Tailored communication is key, ensuring that everyone understands the why and the how of the change, not just the what. Training and support are equally vital. They equip employees with the necessary tools and knowledge to adapt to new systems and processes confidently. This not only smooths the transition but also enhances the overall capability of the organization to handle future changes. Effective change management is not just about implementing new systems, but about transforming organizational culture. How critical is the role of talent management in maximizing IT's potential? In the realm of information systems, the strength of an organization often hinges on the capabilities of its IT workforce. Yet many face significant hurdles such as talent shortages and skill gaps. These challenges underscore the need for strategic talent management, which is not just about filling positions, but cultivating a reservoir of capable, future-ready professionals. Effective talent management starts with robust recruitment strategies that not only seek out individuals with the necessary technical skills, but also those who show potential for growth and adaptability. Once on board, the focus shifts to training and continuous professional development. This ensures that the team not only keeps pace with current technology trends, but also stays ahead of them. Furthermore, succession planning cannot be overlooked. It prepares the organization for future needs by identifying and developing employees to fill key leadership positions. This proactive approach helps mitigate risks associated with turnover and ensures the sustainability of IT operations. Investing in talent is investing in the future of your IT capabilities. How secure are your information systems against evolving threats? In the digital age, the security of information systems is paramount, not only for protecting data, but also for maintaining the integrity of business operations. Implementing robust security measures is critical to defend against both internal and external threats that can compromise your organization's assets and reputation. Firstly, it's essential to adopt comprehensive cybersecurity policies. These should include strong password protocols, multi-factor authentication, and regular updates to security software. Each layer of security adds a barrier against potential breaches, making your systems tougher to crack. Risk management practices are equally vital. Conducting regular risk assessments helps identify vulnerabilities in your systems before they can be exploited. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. By understanding where your weaknesses lie, you can implement targeted defenses to bolster those areas. Furthermore, regular security audits are crucial. These audits review and evaluate the effectiveness of your existing security measures, ensuring they meet the current standards and practices. A robust approach to security and risk management not only protects information assets but also builds trust within and outside the organization. How can organizations manage their IT vendors to ensure value and mitigate risks? Navigating the complex world of vendor management is crucial for organizations that rely on external IT services and solutions. The key is not just choosing the right vendors but also managing those relationships effectively over time. Firstly, strategic vendor management involves careful selection based on both the quality of the service and the vendor's alignment with the organization's goals. It's about looking beyond the price tag to consider factors such as reliability, support services, and the vendor's ability to innovate alongside your business needs. Secondly, effective contract negotiations are vital. This means clearly defining service levels, expectations, and deliverables right from the start. It's about ensuring contracts have the flexibility to adapt to changing business needs, while also including stringent performance metrics and compliance standards. Maintaining strong, transparent relationships with vendors is equally important. Regular communication, performance reviews, and feedback loops help in identifying potential issues early and fostering mutual trust. Smart vendor management turns potential challenges into strategic advantages. Let's recap the strategic journey we've navigated today. We embarked on a thorough exploration of the critical organization and management issues in information systems, uncovering the essential strategies to address these challenges effectively within any organization. We began by understanding the importance of aligning information system initiatives with business strategies, ensuring that technology investments drive growth and innovation. We then delved into IT governance and decision-making, highlighting the need for robust frameworks that foster efficient and conflict-free management. Resource allocation and investment prioritization were next, where we discussed how to judiciously choose projects that align with strategic goals and offer substantial benefits. Change management and organizational readiness followed, emphasizing the necessity of stakeholder engagement and adept handling of resistance to change. We also covered talent management, stressing the cultivation of a skilled IT workforce ready to tackle future challenges, and security and risk management, underscoring the critical need for stringent protective measures against ever-evolving threats. Remember, managing your information systems effectively is not just an IT responsibility, it's a business imperative.